Are you tired of struggling to find affiliate programs with high commission rates? Do you want to earn long-term residual income from your affiliate marketing efforts? Look no further. We have the solution you've been waiting for. Introducing the Secrets of Success movement, brought to you by Russell Brunson and Justin Benton. As successful entrepreneurs themselves, they understand the challenges faced by affiliate marketers and have created a program that will revolutionize your earning potential. With the Secrets of Success membership site, you'll have access to valuable content that will keep your members engaged and coming back for more. No more worrying about how to retain your audience, we've got you covered. But that's not all. We're launching the Think and Grow Rich Challenge, a fun and exciting way to build recurring commissions. Each month, we'll present a new challenge to our members, giving them the opportunity to grow and succeed alongside you. As they participate in these challenges, you'll earn ongoing commissions, creating a steady stream of income. Gone are the days of limited earning potential and lack of support. As an affiliate of Secrets of Success, you'll receive 10% lifetime recurring commissions from referred members. And with our two-tier system, you can earn an additional 10% lifetime commission on sales made by affiliates you refer. We understand the importance of standing out in a crowded affiliate marketing space. That's why we're offering a unique and standout affiliate program that will set you apart from the competition. Joining Secrets of Success means being part of a new and exciting movement in affiliate marketing, with endless opportunities for growth and success. Ready to take the next step? Apply to be an affiliate and create your affiliate account today. With Secrets of Success, you'll finally have the support and resources you need to thrive in the world of affiliate marketing. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Engage and retain members with the Think and Grow Rich Challenge, and watch your commissions soar. Join us in the Secrets of Success movement and unlock your true earning potential. Apply now and start your journey to success today.